Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Windows boot error 0xc00000ba in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your system not booting properly and failed to boot in Windows 11 and Windows 10, then here are the fixes. First, turn off your PC. Completely shut down your PC by pressing power button forcefully. Thereafter, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds and turn the computer back on while holding the F11 key. First turn off completely and then turn back on and simultaneously holding F11 key. Some devices may require F8, otherwise press F11 key simultaneously, power button and function key. Your Windows will now open in advanced startup mode. And such type of a screen you will see. And your Windows is now booting in advanced startup mode, and wait for some times. It is getting ready, and such type of blue screen you will find here. Here you will find choose an options and 3 options available: continue, use a device and troubleshoot. You will have to choose troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and here you will find 2 options: reset this PC and advanced options. You may go with reset this PC, but first try advanced options, and here you will find 6 options. Choose a startup repair. And if your Windows start correctly, then okay. Otherwise, again go to same process and choose advanced options, and here choose command prompt and execute the command sfc scannow and as well as dism tool. So first we will go through sfc scannow tool. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. So execute after blinking cursor sfc space slash scannow and press enter. And press enter and let the window complete the scanning process. It will take some time. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will not only fix identify issues, it will also repair them. Thereafter check whether your Windows is booting properly or not. If not, again go to the same process, troubleshoot, advanced options, command from Windows and execute the command chkdsk. On the same command from Windows, execute the command chkdsk /f/r. Check the next time the system restarts, choose Y, yes, and press enter. Follow on screen instruction and check whether your system is booting or not. If not, once more command you will have to execute in same command from Windows, bootrec fixboot. And after execution of this command, restart your system and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If not, perform a system restore. On the same blue screen window, go to troubleshoot. Here choose advanced options and here choose system restore, and a new system restore window will now open. Here restore system files and settings page will appear. Here click on next and here restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a selected event from which your computer was in good condition. You may check against options show more restore points and choose a restore points, either Windows Update or any other. We will go through Windows Update and click on next and choose finally confirm your restore point and let the window complete the restoration point. Your computer will now restore previously state whether your computer was in good condition.